Everybody keeps on talking, saying how it never could have been. Then I lie and say I'm glad that you're gone. I can shed my skin. Still the days are getting better. The cops been leaving me alone. Still sometimes I feel a million years old since you've gone home. They never had our kind of love. They never listened for a train. They never had our kind of sun, our moon, our stars. They never had our kind of rain. It's getting lonely bumming quarters. With you it all became a ballet. Man, it ain't no fun stealing for one at the Circle K. When I go down to the river, I hear you laugh in the Calliope. What a world of wonder under the walls, just you and me. They never had our kind of love. They never listened for a train. They never had our kind of sun, our moon, our stars. They never had our kind of rain. Our kind of rain don't fall around here. Our kind of rain don't fall like tears. Our kind of rain don't fall this side of yesterday or last year. Nothing that's surprising. You were too evil for the street. I used to think that you could jump off the moon and land on your feet. When you go down to Decatur, have a sit down in the sun. Take a pull, 'cause spring is finally here and you're undone. They never had our kind of love. They never listened for a train. They never had our kind of sun, our moon, our stars. They never had our kind of rain. They never had our kind